One late payment can cost you thousands. That single mark is why you got denied for that apartment, car loan, or credit card. It stays for 7 years. But there's a way to challenge these marks using federal law and credit system's own mistakes. By the end of this video, you will have complete action plan. Let's go. I'm showing you 4 proven methods: the mismatch strategy, direct dispute, CFPB complaints, and Goodwill letter. This is based on Fair Credit Reporting Act, not legal advice, but factual steps you can take. Results vary, but you deserve to know what's possible. Grab something to write with. Late payment shows when you miss a due date by 30 days or more. You will see codes 30, 60, 90, or 120. 3 bureaus track your credit: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Here's the key: they don't always report the same information. One shows late, another shows on time. That inconsistency is your weapon. The law says your report must be accurate and consistent. If it's not, you can challenge it. Method 1. Inconsistency attack. This is the most powerful method. We are using bureaus' mismatches against them. Pull your credit reports from all 3 bureaus. Go to annualcredit.com or use Identity IQ. You need all 3 at once. Pause and get them now. Examine every account showing late payments. Look at payment history, hunt for differences. TransUnion shows 30 days late, but Equifax shows on time. Experian shows 90 while others shows 60. Any mismatch is leverage. Screenshot each bureau's version with account name, number, and payment history visible. Identify which bureau has the error. If 2 says on time but 1 says late, target the outlier. File a dispute. This account is reported inconsistently. TransUnion and Equifax shows on time. Your records are incorrect. Investigate and update. Attach screenshots. Decision point: if the account is mostly positive, request an update. If multiple late marks exist, request full deletion. When they corrected, screenshot the update, then dispute the other 2 bureaus. Experian corrected this to on time. Your records are outdated. Update to match. This works because the Fair Credit Reporting Act requires accuracy. When bureaus contradict with each other, at least one is wrong. Check for inconsistencies first. Most people have them. Method 2. Direct disputes. If all 3 matches, use direct accuracy challenges. Optional first step: freeze secondary bureaus: LexisNexis, SageStream, Invoice. This limits data flow and slightly improves outcomes. Takes 72 hours to 30 days. Write your dispute letter. Keep it factual. Include account name, number, and reason. Payment history reported as late is incorrect. Verify and update. No emotions, just facts. Include photo ID, recent utility bills, and optionally social security card. This prevents stalling. Send to each bureau reporting the error. Use regular mail. Type your name. Don't handwrite signatures. Expect responses in 30 to 45 days. You will get verified responses. Don't stop. Send follow-ups demanding proof of investigation. Ask for documentations they used. Most don't investigate properly. Keep pushing. Everything here is free. You don't need to pay anyone. Method 3. FCPB escalation. If bureaus won't cooperate, escalate federally. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau oversees them. This adds serious pressure. Go to consumerfinance.government, click Submit a Complaint, create a free account. Select Credit Reporting, then Credit Reporting again. Choose Incorrect information on my credit report, then Account status is incorrect. If you send dispute, select Yes when asked. Your complaints clearly. After reviewing my credit report, I identified a late payment on my account name, account number ending in last 4 digits. I believe this is incorrect. I disputed and requested verification, but they haven't provided documentation providing this was legitimately late. I request full investigation with proof. If they can't provide evidence, I request correction or removal. For resolution, please investigate and require the Bureau to correct or remove inaccurate late payment reporting. Upload screenshots showing account details, payment history, and prior disputes. Choose which bureau you are complaining about. One per complaint. Provide last four of social security and date of birth. Submit repeat for other bureaus if needed. They must respond in 15 days. Check your portal regularly and respond quickly. Federal pressure is powerful. Bureaus take FCPB complaints seriously. Federal oversight is the most powerful tool. Method 4. Goodwill letters. If you exhausted everything or the late payment was your fault, use goodwill letter. You're asking for removal as courtesy, not disputing. Works best if account is open and current, you're on time since, and only one or two late payments exist. Find CEO contact information at ceomail.com. Look up your lender, get the CEO name and email. You're really emailing them. Their executive team will see it and has real authority. Write briefly, Dear CEO, I have been a customer for a number of years. In a month year, I missed a payment due to brief reason. Since then, I had perfect payment history with autopay. I'm working towards buying a home, and this single mark significantly affect qualifications. I respectfully request removal as one-time courtesy. Thank you. Follow up in 1 or 2 weeks. Send to other executives too. Head of Customers Relationship Compliance. This saturation techniques work. Warning, use this last. You're admitting the late payment was accurate. If you dispute later, they will use your email as proof. Use only after exhausting disputes or when you know it was your common mistakes I see. Don't dispute everything at once. Focus on 1 or 2 accounts. Be strategic. Don't be emotional or aggressive. Stay professional and factual. Keep records. Save every letter, response, screenshot. You need a paper trail. Don't give up after one attempt. Send second dispute demanding proof. Most results on second or third tries. Don't dispute accurate information dishonestly. That's fraud. Lack of verification or goodwill instead. Never lie. Don't expect instant results. This takes time. Be patient and persistent. Bureaus dispute 30 to 40 days. FCB complaints 15 days for acknowledgement. 30 to 60 for resolution. Goodwill letter 1 week to 1 month. Unpredictable. Overall, plan 2 to 3 months to work through all methods. Start with inconsistency, escalate to CFPB, then Goodwill. Compared to 7 years naturally, it's worth it. Even partial success improves your score. Not all lenders pull all 3 bureaus. Quick recap. Method 1. Find inconsistency between bureaus, dispute outlier. Pressure others. Method 2. Send direct dispute demanding verification. Freeze secondary bureaus. Method 3. File CFPB complaints if bureaus won't cooperate. 1 per bureau. Method 4. Send goodwill letters to executives if exhausted or at fault. Avoid these mistakes. Disputing everything, being emotional, giving up early. Keep record. Expect 2 to 3 months. Here's what to do right now. Today, pull all 3 reports, examine for inconsistencies. Tomorrow, screenshot everything and pick your method. Inconsistencies, start method 1. Everything matches, start method 2. Prepare for method 3. Give each step time. No guarantee, but these are your best legal options. Be truthful always. Never fabricate information. Honesty and persistence win. Most people watching don't do anything. Don't be most people. Pull those reports today. Write those letters this week. Start the process. You have the knowledge. Now use it. The difference between people who fix their credit and those who don't isn't knowledge. It's action. You just got the knowledge. What you do in the next 24 hours determines everything. If you want more credit strategies, check the next video on screen. I'll see you in the next one.